Let's look at another theory of corporate social responsibility, which is known as the social contract theory. It's what we are going to be looking at in this video. We shall start by defining what a social contract is. A social contract is a hypothetical agreement assumed to exist between the business and then the society. It is an agreement, like they act as if they're in an agreement. They have obligations towards each other. So different parties have different obligations to fulfill. And if they meet the obligations, they are fulfilling the contract. If they do not meet the obligations, it means that they're breaching the contract. For example, the business has a, an obligation to cater for the needs of the society. It is supposed to come through when the society is having some challenges, and then the society is also supposed to act accordingly, provide markets and all that. Yes, so a social contract is a hypothetical agreement. It is assumed to exist. It's not in written, like it's not actually there, but it is assumed to exist. Between the business and then the society. The business has some obligations towards the society, and the society also has some obligations towards the business, to provide raw materials, to provide labor, market, and all that. So if they fulfill the obligations, it means that they're fulfilling the contract. If they do not, it means that they're breaching the contract. And that is the social contract theory. That it is what we call the social contract. Social contract is considered to be at two levels. We have the micro level and then the macro level. Micro is always the small one, then macro it is the big one. So we shall start with the micro level. Micro level, it refers to those interventions specifically to individuals who may be facing some challenges in the society. Like the business organization identifies the individuals in the society that are having challenges and they come through to help them. If someone maybe is having a kidney failure, they come through and provide money for medication. And that is the macro level. They come out, but they help specific individuals. So at the macro level, businesses come through to help individuals who are facing some challenges in the society. Then the second level is the macro level. Here the business comes in to solve the challenges that are faced by the whole community. They identify a problem in the community and they come up to solve that problem. But when they solve the problem, it's going to benefit the whole community at large. And that is the macro level social contract. For example, during the days of COVID-19, very many companies came out and they gave food whereby it was going to benefit everyone in the society. And that is the macro level. And that is all about the contract theory, an assumed agreement between the business and then the society or the community.